Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video about this maybe Duobots F30 unboxing and my first impression. So this is a recent launch from the brand maybe. So this is a model name Duobots F30. So for the first time in the F series, they are launching this Duobots earbuds. So this is a stem type like earbud, and it actually supported some of the highlighted features like it has a HD stereo sound, and it has a Bluetooth version 5.0 connectivity. So better you will have your Bluetooth version 5.0 is itself enough, I think, because in most of the budget segment smartphone, in case if you are actually buy a Bluetooth version 5.2 connectivity, like that means you might be feel a connectivity related issue. So better go for a Bluetooth version 5.0 itself. And then it is having a touch sensor control, so it is not a button or a push like that. You have to gently touch that earbuds. And after that, here is a super fast charging, so similar to the OnePlus. They are also claiming that 10 minutes of charge, but will not know how much hours music playback it will give. We'll test all the in the full review. Then it has a powerful 10 mm of driver, and it has a IP exposed fat proof. Then it has a long battery life, and it has a 1 year of a limited warranty. And as usual, it is a made in Indian product. Now this is the product outlook. Now let's open this box and find out what are all the things it contains. So the first step you have to do is, so the first card, so this is just a intro card. And after that, so this is a very important thing. So it is a 1 year warranty registration, so you have to just take a snap of your invoice. In case if you are buy this through Flipkart or Amazon, like that means you have to just share a screenshot of the invoice to this WhatsApp number. So you have to WhatsApp to this number and share the invoice of your product. Then only the 1 year warranty registration will be begins. So after that only you can able to claim for warranty. And after that is the Duobots F30 user manual. Then inside you will have a small box. So inside the box, I think so this time it's also a USB type C cable. So it is supported the USB type C connectivity, and as well as it's supported with the fast charging support. Then you will get a two pair of silicone tips. So in case if you're having any comfortability issues while you are wearing means, so on changing these ear tips you will get some better comfortness on wearing. And after that, finally, this is maybe Duobots F30 Bluetooth wireless earbud. So this is a charging case. On the physical overview, so the charging case is actually fully made of a plastic material, and it's a whole body is made of a plastic. And on the front here is a maybe branding is given. And at the bottom, so here is a USB type C port. So using this you can charge this charging case. Also there is a USB type C short cable also available, and as well as you can use your mobile charger also to charge this yeah, charging case. And after opening, so inside you will get a two pair of stem type like earbuds placed, and L&R is mentioned. And here is the four LEDs has been given. It denotes what is the actual battery available in the charging case. And also in the earbuds also there is a LED indicator, so which shows in case while you are placing the earbud in the charging case, if red light blinks means it's actually the earbuds is in charging mode. But it is actually the red light is actually currently turned off, that means the earbuds battery is almost full. So that's the thing. And so once we have actually taken off, the earbuds will be automatically turned on and paired with each other. So and once it paired, it will be connected through the your paired devices. I have already connected this device through my mobile phone. So here is a Mu Duobots F30 is connected. So the connection is actually simple. And also using this earbud, I have heard some of the songs. So based on the first impression, it has a very good treble sound. The vocal clarity is very good, and the bass sounds is also good, decent only. But I need some more time to test this earbud. And then overall sound quality is also good. It is having a very good volume, and this earbud is actually comes with the touch function. The touch function is also working so good. So as you seen here, so I am just playing and pausing some of the things. So I am just tapping here. so it's actually paused, and again tapping it will be played, and again tapping it will be paused. So the touch function is also good on the first impression. I'll just do a full review of this Duobots F30, and after I am using for a week, and there is no information regarding the battery image, like how much battery in the charging case and earbud. So like that, no details in the user manual and in the box also. So I want to test this, and let's find out how much hours of it actually gives for a total playback. Well, let's see all in the full review video. And now that's all about this video, guys. And hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching this video, guys.